Unity Labor Federation of Metro Manila 2025. Our mission. The Unity Labor Federation of Metro Manila 2025 is dedicated to empowering workings through collective action, advocacy, and support. We strive to enhance the working condition, rights, and benefits of our member while fostering a culture of solidarity and inclusivity. Our mission is unite device labor voice, promote fair wage, and ensure equitable treatment for all workers in Metro Manila. Our vision. We envision a just and thriving labor community in Metro Manila where every worker is respected, valued, and afforded equal opportunity. The United Labor Federation of Metro Manila 2025 seeks to build a future where workers are empowered and engaged in shaping policies that impact their lives, leading to prosperous and equitable society for all. The President of the United Labor Federation of Manila 2025, Ayala Jansel, is dedicated advocate for worker rights. His leadership embodies a commitment to unity, empowerment, and progress driving forward innovates that prioritize the voice of all workers and foster a strong sense community within the federation. Workplace issues. As the United Labor Federation of Metro Manila 2025, addressing discrimination is crucial to our core mission for fostering equality and solidarity among workers. Discrimination undermines the dignity and potential of individuals, creating barriers that hinder fair treatment and opportunities in the workplace. By actively confronting and dismantling discrimination practice, we aim to create an inclusive and equitable labor environment for every workers can thrive regardless of their background, identity, or circumstance. Action Plan. To address the issue of legal action, the Strategic and Peaceful Action Plan involved first gathering comprehensive evidence and testimonials from affected workers to present a united front. Following this, a series of organized campaigns such as a peaceful demonstration and community outreach will raise public awareness and pressure the company to engage in constructive dialogue, highlighting the need for equitable solution without resorting to hostility.